Bass heavy, subwoofers kicking, engine revs fading up. Holding, roaring, streets on fire. Let's light it up tonight. Cruising in my Holden Commodore, black as the night. Engine growling like a beast, ready for the fight. Hot streets glowing under neon lights. Rev heads gathering, we're owning the night. Windows down, subwoofers thumping deep. Bass so loud, it shakes the concrete beneath. Alcohol flowing, we're sipping that fire. Weed in the air, taking us higher. Commodore Nights, hot girls and G-strings, dancing on the hood, making the crowd sing. Alcohol buzz, weed haze in the ride. Rev heads revving, subwoofers collide. Hot streets calling, we're living for the thrill. Holding, roaring, nothing can stand still. Commodore Nights, we're wild and free, chasing the rush, just you and me. Girls turning heads in their G-strings so tight, laughing and flirting under the street light. We're popping bottles, the party's in full swing. Weed smoke drifting like we're kings of the ring. Rev heads lining up, tires screech and burn. Subwoofers blasting, feel the bass return. Hot streets alive with the sound of the chase. Adrenaline pumping, we're winning the race. Commodore Nights, hot girls and G-strings, dancing on the hood, making the crowd sing. Alcohol buzz, weed haze in the ride. Rev heads revving, subwoofers collide. Hot streets calling, we're living for the thrill. Holding, roaring, nothing can stand still. Commodore Nights, we're wild and free, chasing the rush, just you and me. Lights flashing, cops on the prowl, but we don't care. We're too far gone in this electric air. Holding, pushing limit speed in our veins. Subwoofers pounding like a hurricane. One more hit, one more sip, let's keep it going. Hot girls whispering, the night's overflowing. Rev heads forever on these hot streets we roam. Commodore life, take us home. Commodore Nights. They were still riding high, hot streets forever, under the endless sky.